Okay, so today I am going to talk about freeze method in JavaScript. What is freeze method and what are its uses, right? So freeze method basically, make our object or array immutable in JavaScript. As we know that objects and arrays are mutable, and you can mutate them anytime, right? There is object if and suppose there is object and there is a key called name and there is some value. Suppose name is X and you want to change that name, so you can easily do object dot name is equal to you can provide a new value and it will change that objects, right? There is an array and there is at any index there is some number and you want to change that number, so you can easily write array I is equal to that number and it will change that number. So array and objects are mutable, you can change them anytime. This is a good thing, but it also have some disadvantage, right? Anyone can interfere with your structures, data structures, right? And it can cost you. So if you want to if you want that no one should change your array or object, or even you want to accidentally change them, you should not able to do it. Then you can apply a method that is called freeze. So uh, like you want to freeze any object, then you can write object dot freeze and you can pass that object and it will freeze that object. And if you want to change that particular value, then it will show error, it will not change, right? So you can pass those things. So why do you need a freeze method, right? So first thing is that you don't want your anyone to interfere with your data structure, even you, right? Sometimes we accidentally do the things. So if we will freeze them, then we will not, we will not be able to change them, right? And so there is one, we can say the extra, information about freeze method. So suppose there is a nested object, right? And means there is object and in one key of that object there is another object, right? And if you are applying freeze method on the main object, so it will not freeze the inner object, the nested object. Inner object is still mutable, right? So keep this thing in mind. And if we talk about advantages and why do we need freeze. So suppose we are writing APIs and we want that this object which this API contains, this is your final version, and no things, no new fields should be added, and no fields should be changed, no fields should be muted. So in that which is we can use freeze method, and it makes our data structure, our API secure, and yeah, this is a huge advantage, right? Because as we know that JavaScript is very flexible, so these methods are good in that term. Yeah. So this was all about freeze, and tomorrow we will meet with another interesting topic from web development. So thank you for your time and stay tuned.